Today, we will see how to find prime factorization of 4 by tree factor method. Let us follow the rules. Step 1. Start dividing 4 by the smallest prime number 2. Step 2. In this case, 4 is exactly divisible by 2. So, there is no need to move to the next prime number 3. Got it? Step 3. When we divide 4 by 2, we get 2 as the quotient. Observe here, after dividing every branch of the factor tree ends with a prime number 2. So, we stop here. Got it? Step 4. Collect all the prime numbers at the end of the branches. In this case, we get 2 multiplied by 2. So, 4 can be expressed as the unique product of prime numbers 2 and 2. So, prime factorization of 4 is 2 multiplied by 2. Got it? Tomorrow we will see more complex examples. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.